How to add PBR textures in Unity in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to import textures. Drag and drop your PBR texture files into your Unity projects assets folder, and Unity will automatically import these textures. And after that, right click on your project window and select create, then material. Give your material a descriptive name, and after that you have to select the material you just created. In the inspector window, choose a shader that supports PBR common choices including metallic setup, roughness setup, and URP shaders. That's the universal render pipeline. And after that, you have to locate the texture slots in the materials inspector like albedo, metallic, roughness, and normal. And click the small circle next to each slot and select the corresponding textures from your project. For example, for the albedo slot, select your albedo texture. For metallic, select your metallic texture, and so on. If you are using a shader that has a color overlay option, you can also adjust the color alongside the texture. And after that, you can adjust parameters like tiling, offset, and other shader specific settings to fine tune the appearance of the material on your object. And then you can adjust the tiling and offset values in the materials inspector to control how the texture is repeated on the object's surface, and drag and drop the material from the project window onto your 3D model in the scene view. Alternatively, you can select the 3D model in the scene view and in the inspector drag the material to the material slot of the mesh render component. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.